Kitty Cap 26 here, just do repair and tips. And we got the AWS LB 3000 scale here. It's got an adapter on the left side that goes into the wall. It also takes batteries on the back side for AA. Sorry about that, guys. Put it back down. This is a cover for the scale, which is inside. There's two buttons right here that release this. This lifts up. This is the actual scale. You don't want to drop anything hard on this or drop the scale or anything like that. It's already on. Let's turn it off. So the buttons are as follows. There's the off button. This is the on button. This is the cal button. This cal button changes the modes. And this is the tare button. So let's turn it on up here. Okay, and it's now on. It's going through some sequence of numbers. This is calibrated. It went to 0, now it's to 3, now it's to 4. So we want to tar it out, or tear it out, people say, and it's now down to 0. We're in grams right now, by the way, and I'm sorry I have a cold, but that's how it is. And we're going to weigh this bottle. So it weighs about 19.9 grams, and it's going to 20, 19.8, 20. Make sure you have your hands off the table when you're doing any kind of calibration or weighing. So let's tar it out again. We're in grams still. This penny should weigh about 2.4 to 2.5. So let's see. Is that 2.7, 2.6? Pretty close. I got it. We're off a gram. So you're going to take that off right there. Goes back to 0. When you want to tar out a cup, you put your cup on there empty, centerized, and then you tar it. And it takes the weight of the cup out. Okay, here's a little light here. Turn it on. Show you that it is now tarred out. And that's about 0.2 grams, that cup. And take it off. And about 3.2 it goes to. Hit the tar button. And let's go back. And that's tarred out again. So it's pretty good. It's a pretty good scale. I kind of like it. It's got a light up here to the right, so you can light it up. It goes to grams, ounces, and two other functions, which you'll see as you go through. Let's see, ounces. There's ounces. Q. I think it says QZT. Ounces something. Then it goes to DWC, I believe. Let me put my glasses on. I can't see. DWT. It'll tell you in the instructions what those different things are. But we want to keep on the grams, which is this. And that turns it on. That turns it off. Off. On. Zero it out there. I'm still getting used to the scale myself, and we could turn it off. Turn it off up down here. That turns it off. This turns it on. I want to show you with it lit so you can see that. And it goes to 0. Let's weigh the penny again. Whoop. Changing here on me. Tear it out. 2.4, 2.5. Now 2.4, 2.4. It's within 1 gram. If you have any questions on this scale, please leave them below. And also, please rate, subscribe, and share the video. I got this on Amazon. And thanks for watching. Have a great day.